Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about a fantastic new game that's on my computer. This new game is called Rock, Paper, Scissors. So I used a program called Python and I programmed the game using Python, step by step, writing pieces of code, and I've created this new game. Now I'm going to show you the game and I'll talk while I'm showing you the game. So a few weeks ago, one of the lessons that I said to you was an introduction to Python. And I put up 2 lessons in your programming folder on how to start using Python. So what I did yesterday is I decided to write a game in Python. Now you've all played rock, paper, scissors before. So I got this game and I decided to write out all of the code, and I wrote out lots of code. I don't expect you to do this, but I wrote out lots of code and I created this great new game called Rock, Paper, Scissors for my computer. So learning Python code can end up being lots of fun. This is just an example of that. So I'm going to run my program. I click run module, and here's my game right here. And it says, Mr. Nick May's game, let's play rock, paper, scissors, and then you have the 3 buttons. Now if I click rock, it tells me that the computer selected scissors, and therefore I won. I might select scissors this time. And the computer selected paper, so I was lucky, I won again. Paper, this time the computer selected scissors, so it won. So just by learning a little bit of Python code, I can create a new game for my computer that I could play over and over again. Now I could make this game better. I could put it so it has a tally that counts up how many times I win and how many times the computer wins. But just to show you right now, I wanted to show you my new game, and this is what I've been doing over the last 2 or 3 days at school. What have you been doing for your video at home? It's great.